Today we are making bulgogi, but it is a simple recipe that will take literally 3 minutes to make. Yep, 3-minute stir-fry bulgogi at home without compromising on its authentic, yummy bulgogi taste. Now make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to show you how to make your lettuce wrap called Ssam, which is a must when you have bulgogi at home. Jan! Literally, it's a party in my mouth. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. Modern Pepper is a Korean cooking channel that offers instructional Korean cooking lessons for authentic Korean recipes as well as Korean fusion recipes. So please do consider subscribing. 맛있는 한식 요리와 한식 퓨전 요리를 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. 구독 버튼 꼭 눌러주세요. Here is our star ingredient. We need thinly sliced beef. Today I'm using ribeye. Now if you go to any Korean supermarket, including your small mom and pop shops, they will always have thinly sliced ribeye. Now if you can't get to a Korean market, ask your local butcher to slice them thinly like so. Or you could do this yourself too. So freeze your block of beef for about 20 to 30 minutes. Any cut of beef will do. And then slice it thinly like so using a serrated knife or any sharp knife. And today's bulgogi recipe is a small portion recipe and we'll be using about a little bit under a pound of beef. And we need the following ingredients for our bulgogi. This is called Soegogi dashida. It's basically beef bouillon powder. This is my secret ingredient to making your bulgogi taste like how it tastes at restaurants. Now, this is optional. You do not need to use this if you don't want to. But like I said, if you want to make it taste like how it tastes at restaurants, use this. Am I implying that all Korean restaurants use flavor enhancers? I'm not a spokesperson, but I won't say yes or no. But my family has been in the Korean restaurant business for many decades. So it's not something you publicly talk about, but many restaurants use flavor enhancers. Another tip I want to share with you. So when you make bulgogi, do not use those pickled, machine chopped garlic. Just don't. Use fresh garlic. And I don't know why, but freshly crushed garlic is so delicious and will make your dish taste 100 times better than using those pre-chopped garlic that comes in a jar. Now, make sure to have all your ingredients ready to go because the actual cooking time will be less than a few minutes. Hi! So you need a really heavy bottom frying pan to make our quick stir-fry bulgogi. So I'm going to turn the heat up to really high. Okay, while the frying pan is preheating, we're just going to hand tear our bulgogi like so. So when it's about almost 2/3 cooked like this, we're gonna start adding our ingredients. Your heat still remains at high. garlic, sugar, soy sauce, and bulgogi dashida. And let this simmer for a good minute. So we want to have this kind of sauce. All right, I'm going to turn the heat off because this is done. And now we have to taste it. Taste it and make sure you like it the way you like it. Look at that. Why am I whispering? I don't know. 간이 딱 맞습니다. It's really good. So right now, this is perfectly salty for me. But if you like it saltier, add a little more salt. If it's too salty for you, add a little bit of hot water to it. As far as the sweetness for bulgogi is meant to be just a subtle aftertaste. So this is fine the way it is for me. But if you like it sweeter, then add a little more brown sugar. And we have to taste the au jus. This is bulgogi au jus. This with warm Korean rice. You're missing out if you've never tried it. So much flavor. And you know what makes this really, really extra yummy, like how it tastes at restaurants? It's the beef touch that we added. It just took it to another level of like super yumminess. Jan! So when you make Korean lettuce wrap called Ssam, the key is to make it small so it fits into your mouth once, right? So gogi, rice, SsamJang, and PaMuChim, and then we just fold it over, wrap it tight so it goes into your mouth at once. Jan! It has to be one bite size. We're not making tacos here. Bon appetit! Boy, oh boy. Literally, it's a party in my mouth. There's so many flavors. It really, other than that, you must try lettuce wraps. It is so good, so good. And SsamJang is basically this. It's a condiment that comes in this green container. It's basically a combination of gochujang and doenjang. And if you want to learn how to make that, make sure to check my video that you see right here. And also PaMuChim is a side vegetable fixing that's always included when you make lettuce wraps. So you could also check out that video if you want to see how that's made. I want to thank everyone for watching today. And if you enjoyed today's video, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon. And if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe so we can make more Korean dishes together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these videos right here.